Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a wave section break in Webflow. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Webflow, I need you to click the sign up option. And from there, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding a wave section break in Webflow is a great way to create a visually appealing transition between sections of your web page. Of course, this effect can make your design look more dynamic and engaging. Now, once you are here on the dashboard, now on the left side panel of your dashboard, I want you to click on the dev block. We're going to add it here on the bottom. Let's undo that because we need it to be the bottom. There we go. Delete this page. All right, and then go to the settings. Now, after dragging the div block here, I want you to go to the position. Now it's static. I want you to click on the absolute, this one. All right, and then I need you to click on this section, the position. It should be down at the bottom. All right, and then after that, now I'm gonna put some height to the div. Maybe like 50. All right, and then I'm gonna set the transparency into white. All right, and then now there's gonna be an option here for the image. Okay, now we wanted to have a wave image, and one of the best site for you to check for that is getwaves.com or .io. All you're gonna do is click the download option here. You can download this SVG or copy SVG code, but in my case, I'm gonna download the SVG and of course locate that in the Webflow later. Now here, I'm just gonna click on the image, gonna download and put it here. Just wait for it to load, and there's gonna be our wave here, right? And then now once you're happy with it, all you're gonna do is publish or share. And by incorporating wave section breaks into your Webflow design, you can enhance the visual appeal, user experience, and overall effectiveness of your website, leading to a more engaging and memorable online presence. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.